Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a 2015 Ford Fusion headlight. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a trim removal tool. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. We will begin by identifying the key fasteners and clips that secure the headlight assembly in place. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth process. Next, we need to carefully loosen the front bumper cover to access the headlight bolts. Start by removing the plastic push pins and screws located along the top edge of the bumper. Then, detach the screws securing the fender liner near the headlight. This allows you to gently pull the bumper cover away from the fender, creating enough clearance to reach the headlight mounting points. Take your time here to avoid damaging the paint. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful videos. Quick recommendation: for all your car manuals and other reading, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, even in the garage. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With the bumper cover partially moved, you can now clearly see the headlight assembly's main fasteners. There are typically 3 bolts holding the headlight in place. Use the correct socket to carefully loosen and remove each of these. Pay close attention to any additional clips or tabs that might be securing the assembly. Sometimes, a small amount of wiggling helps to free the unit once the bolts are out. Once all the bolts and clips are free, gently pull the headlight assembly forward. This will give you access to the electrical connector at the back. Press the release tab on the connector firmly and pull it straight off. With the wiring disconnected, you can now carefully guide the entire headlight unit out of its housing opening. Be sure to handle it with care to avoid any scratches or damage to the lens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.